Hey everyone, today I'm going to trade using the Supertrend indicator. I'll also show you how I trade with it. This will not be just trading, there was a signal up, we went up. No, we're going to combine the Supertrend indicator with trend lines. But before we start this video, recommend subscribing to the channel and giving it a like so you don't miss any new trading videos, and feel free to leave any comment. You'll also find a link to the broker, offering a 50% bonus on your deposit in the description and in the pinned comment under this video. So, friends, let's set up the trading platform for the strategy I'm going to show you today. Let's go to the first tab, click on it, select the chart type as candlestick, and choose the M1 time frame. So, now let's go to the second tab, indicators. Click on the indicators button, and here we select the Supertrend indicator. Here's the Supertrend. And as we can see, it has appeared on the chart. You can also click on this star and the indicator will appear in the favorites tab. You can add the indicator here if you plan to trade with it in the future. Now let's click on the pencil icon and set up our indicator. For the ATR value, we set the period to 9 and the multiplier to 2. Let's go to the view tab and set the first line to 4 pixels and the second line to also 4 pixels. Click the save button. That's it. Now our indicator is perfectly set up. Now I'll explain the logic behind entering a trade. Now I'll also give you an example. Look, when the signal is below, as we can see, it means the price is currently going down. And the red line of this indicator is moving in the direction of the price. And there might be a situation where the price, for example, opens with the green candle moving from the bottom up, and, for example, right here, there will be a crossing of the red line, for instance, from the bottom up. This candle will essentially break our previous signal line downwards. And after this crossing, a signal will appear above the green candle. So, for example, the candle crossed, and a signal will appear above this candle. Like here, for example, yeah. We're waiting for a breakout of the red line, and only then can we draw trend line. Let's find a situation right now where there will be a breakout. Look, a nice crossover, guys. A very good situation. And we see that the signal appeared above. What are we doing now? Now we quickly take the trend line, set it to 4 pixels, and place it according to the last signal, meaning I'm setting an upward trend line. And now look, when the price touches our trend line, we're going to jump in for 2 minutes on the upside. The logic of entering is quite simple. Look, guys, we had a signal below earlier. Then, this green candle with a big spike just crossed the red signal line downwards. And after the crossover, our Supertrend indicator gave us a signal to go up. Yeah, right above. So now, when the price approaches our trend line from above, we're going to enter in the direction of the signal, which is up. So up, guys. So if there's an approach right now, let me add this currency pair to favorites, and we can look for the next situations, so we don't waste our time, okay? Let's go ahead and make the trades right away. I'm opening for 2 minutes, guys. That's it. The trade is on. And so we see an interesting result. Our Supertrend indicator is giving us a signal to go up. Next, what's happening with us? The price is currently going up. So we're entering up in the direction of the price movement and signal. So accordingly, from the trend line, yeah, as we can see, the candle is doing great. So if you see, friends, if we use this indicator in conjunction with the trend line, it works just great, really fantastic. Good, $46 for the base. Yes. Alright, let's move on. Whoa, touching... I'm jumping in for 2 minutes. That's it, friends. It's the same situation, as you can see. Nothing is changing, friends. Look here. We have a signal to go down right here, as we can see, right? Signal to go down. Trend line. The potential here in this time frame, as we can see, is pointing downwards. And that's why we're going down. Since this indicator is called Supertrend, the word trend is already in its name, so using it with trend lines will create a synergistic effect. This indicator is not meant for trading in consolidation or sideways markets. Keep that in mind. It's better to trade with the trend. So if you see that it's going, then we jump in. Guys, today I made $92. I'm going to wrap up my trading here. I won't continue. So I made $92. I think that's enough for today. You need to be able to control yourself when trading. Give it a try. Friends, trade and experiment on a demo account. You can also play around with the time frames, switch to second time frames or mini time frames. You might find a better way to use this strategy, but I showed you how I personally trade with it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Wishing everyone successful trading, and goodbye to all.